Imagine driving an electric SUV that's fast, stylish, and affordable. A vehicle designed for city streets, open highways, and even off-road adventures. Meet the Rivian R2, the future of electric driving without breaking the bank. When it comes to electric vehicles, one of the most common barriers people face is the price. Many consumers believe that owning an electric SUV is only possible if you are ready to spend a fortune. Premium models like Rivian's own R1T and R1S cost well over $75,000, putting them out of reach for the average car buyer. This is where the Rivian R2 comes in as a game changer. With a starting price of around $45,000, the R2 represents Rivian's first serious attempt to offer a more affordable electric SUV without sacrificing the key features that make a Rivian desirable. At this price point, the R2 becomes accessible to a much broader demographic. It targets not only EV enthusiasts but also families, urban professionals, and individuals who are making the switch from gasoline-powered SUVs to electric mobility for the first time. For someone who has been hesitant about investing in an electric vehicle due to cost, the R2 suddenly becomes a realistic and exciting option. Imagine being able to drive a fully electric, technologically advanced SUV that looks modern, performs well, and does not drain your bank account. That's the promise Rivian is delivering with the R2. Rivian's strategy in pricing the R2 at this level is not accidental. They want to capture a portion of the growing midsize electric SUV market, a segment that is expanding rapidly due to increased interest in sustainable transportation. With competitors like the Tesla Model Y, Ford Mustang Mach-E, and Hyundai Ioniq 5 gaining popularity, Rivian recognizes that entering this segment with a competitive price is crucial for market penetration. And with $45,000 as the entry point, they are not only competing with other EVs but also with traditional gasoline SUVs, offering consumers a compelling alternative that combines affordability with cutting-edge technology. What makes the R2 particularly attractive is that affordability does not mean cutting corners. Despite the lower price, Rivian continues to provide high-quality materials, advanced battery technology, and a robust suite of safety and convenience features. Buyers do not have to compromise on luxury or innovation. The R2 maintains the distinctive Rivian design language, featuring a modern minimalist exterior and an intuitive, tech-driven interior, showing that EV ownership can be both affordable and stylish. Another factor that makes the R2 even more appealing is the potential for government incentives. In many regions, buyers of electric vehicles can take advantage of tax credits, rebates, and special financing programs. These incentives can significantly reduce the effective purchase price, making the R2 even more attainable for middle-class buyers. For instance, a federal tax credit in the United States can reduce the upfront cost by several $1,000s, bringing the R2 closer to the $40,000 mark for eligible buyers. When you factor in these incentives, Rivian's R2 starts to feel like an extremely smart investment for someone looking to enter the EV market without spending a premium. Rivian is also leveraging its existing production facilities efficiently. By utilizing the existing plant in Normal, Illinois, rather than building a new factory from scratch, Rivian is able to keep production costs under control. This means they can offer the R2 at a lower price while still ensuring quality manufacturing standards. Production efficiency, combined with smart sourcing of battery cells and components, enables Rivian to balance affordability with the high-quality experience that customers expect. Importantly, affordability also ties into long-term cost savings. Electric vehicles generally have lower operating costs than gasoline vehicles. Owners can expect reduced spending on fuel, lower maintenance costs due to fewer moving parts, and access to fast, efficient charging networks. For families and urban professionals who commute regularly, these savings can accumulate significantly over the life of the vehicle, further enhancing the value proposition of the R2. Finally, Rivian's move to offer a more affordable electric SUV is a statement about the future of transportation. By lowering the barrier to entry, they are making sustainable driving accessible to more people, encouraging wider adoption of electric vehicles. This is not just a business decision. It is a strategic step toward creating a cleaner, greener automotive market. With the R2, Rivian proves that you do not need to spend a fortune to enjoy the benefits of a fully electric, stylish, and practical SUV. It is the perfect bridge for consumers transitioning from gasoline SUVs to electric mobility, combining affordability, innovation, and performance in a single package. In conclusion, the Rivian R2's affordability is its defining feature. It opens the door for a wider audience to experience electric driving, reduces financial barriers, and offers long-term value that rivals many higher-priced models. For consumers, this means owning a Rivian is no longer a dream reserved for the wealthy. It's an achievable reality. With smart pricing, high-quality features, and potential incentives, the R2 stands as a true game-changer in the EV market, making electric SUVs more accessible than ever before. When it comes to evaluating an SUV, performance is one of the most important factors that influence a buyer's decision. The Rivian R2 is designed to not only offer a more affordable electric option, but also deliver impressive performance across multiple driving scenarios, from city streets to open highways and even off-road trails. Rivian has made it clear that despite being positioned as a more accessible SUV, the R2 does not compromise on power, handling, or driving dynamics. Starting with the base model, the Rivian R2 offers a single rear motor configuration, which provides rear-wheel drive, RWD. This setup is ideal for daily driving, urban commuting, and achieving maximum efficiency. The RWD configuration allows the vehicle to maintain a smooth and controlled ride, while providing ample power for city traffic and highway speeds. It is also designed for buyers who prioritize efficiency and affordability, as this motor configuration uses less energy compared to dual or tri-motor setups. However, the R2 is not just about basic transportation. For those who demand enhanced traction, stability, and overall performance, the dual-motor all-wheel drive AWD configuration elevates the driving experience. By adding a second motor to the front wheels, the R2 gains significantly improved handling, better acceleration, and superior control on slippery or uneven surfaces. AWD is particularly useful for drivers in regions with variable weather conditions, offering increased confidence during rain, snow, or off-road adventures. Rivian's engineering ensures that the power distribution between the front and rear wheels is seamless, resulting in a balanced and smooth ride without sudden surges or lag. At the top of the performance spectrum is the tri-motor AWD variant. This configuration includes 3 motors, 1 for the front axle and 2 for the rear, allowing for precise torque vectoring, which enhances cornering and overall driving dynamics. Torque vectoring enables the R2 to send more power to individual wheels when needed, improving traction, stability, and responsiveness. In practical terms, this means drivers experience superior handling in turns, on slippery roads, or when accelerating aggressively, making the SUV feel agile and engaging despite its size. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Rivian R2's performance is its acceleration capability. Even though the R2 is a mid-size SUV, the tri-motor AWD variant is expected to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds. This places it among the fastest SUVs in its class, rivaling many high-end performance electric vehicles. Such acceleration is not just a marketing number. It transforms the driving experience, allowing drivers to merge confidently on highways, overtake slower vehicles effortlessly, and enjoy a thrilling, sporty feel that most mid-size SUVs cannot match. Performance is not limited to straight-line speed. Rivian has also focused on the R2's handling and ride comfort. The vehicle's suspension is carefully tuned to provide a balance between responsiveness and comfort. Whether cruising through city streets, navigating tight turns, or driving on rough rural roads, the R2 maintains a smooth ride while ensuring drivers feel in complete control. The suspension absorbs bumps efficiently, reducing fatigue on longer journeys and providing a premium driving experience that feels both refined and dynamic. The R2's performance also extends to its off-road capabilities, a hallmark of Rivian's vehicles. Despite being smaller than the R1S or R1T, the R2 retains significant ground clearance and rugged engineering, allowing it to tackle uneven terrain, gravel roads, and mild off-road trails without difficulty. Rivian has engineered the R2 to handle such challenges without compromising stability or comfort, ensuring that adventurous drivers can explore the outdoors while enjoying the benefits of an electric SUV. When it comes to electric vehicles, one of the most important considerations for potential buyers is range and charging capability. After all, while EVs are revolutionizing the automotive market with zero-emission driving and futuristic technology, the ability to go long distances without constant charging remains a key concern. The Rivian R2 addresses this challenge with innovative battery technology and smart charging features, making it a practical and convenient choice for everyday use as well as long trips. Let's begin with the range. Rivian has engineered the R2 to offer over 300 miles on a single charge, depending on the chosen battery configuration. This is an impressive achievement for a mid-size electric SUV, especially one aimed at being more affordable. A 300-mile range ensures that drivers can comfortably handle daily commuting, errands, and even long road trips without worrying about running out of battery power. For context, the average American drives approximately 30-40 miles per day, which means the R2 can easily cover an entire week of driving on a single charge for most users. This level of range eliminates range anxiety, a common concern for new EV owners, and gives drivers peace of mind, knowing that their vehicle can reliably cover longer distances. The R2's battery system is based on cutting-edge technology. Rivian is using the latest battery cells with high energy density, allowing more power to be stored without increasing the vehicle's weight excessively. High energy density translates to greater range without compromising performance, which is a critical factor for both efficiency and driving enjoyment. The R2's battery management system, BMS, ensures optimal performance, balancing energy consumption with power output for acceleration, regenerative braking, and overall driving efficiency. Charging is another major highlight of the Rivian R2. The vehicle supports fast charging, which allows drivers to go from roughly 10% to 80% battery capacity in under 30 minutes, depending on the charging station and battery size. This fast charging capability is a game changer for those planning road trips or long-distance driving. In practical terms, it means that a 20-30 minute coffee or lunch break is enough to recharge the vehicle for hundreds of additional miles. This convenience is a major factor that makes the R2 an appealing choice for U.S. drivers who often travel between cities or states. Rivian has also designed the R2 to be compatible with the North American Charging Standard, NACS. This is significant because NACS is increasingly becoming a standard for charging infrastructure across the United States. In addition, the R2 supports CCS adapters, making it compatible with nearly all major fast-charging networks in the country. This wide compatibility ensures that owners can charge conveniently almost anywhere, from urban areas with dense charging stations to remote highways and national parks. An essential part of the R2's charging strategy is its regenerative braking system. Regenerative braking converts kinetic energy into electricity, feeding it back into the battery whenever the driver slows down or brakes. This system not only improves energy efficiency, but also extends the overall range of the vehicle. On long drives with frequent deceleration, regenerative braking can contribute to several extra miles of range, helping drivers make the most of each charge. It's a feature that enhances both sustainability and convenience, aligning with Rivian's overall mission of providing practical, eco-friendly transportation. Another notable aspect of the R2's range and charging capabilities is its intelligent battery monitoring. The vehicle continuously tracks energy consumption, efficiency, and projected range based on driving conditions, weather, and terrain. This data is displayed to the driver in real time, allowing them to plan charging stops strategically. For example, if the driver is heading into hilly terrain or expecting to tow additional weight, the system will adjust energy projections and recommend optimal charging intervals. This makes long-distance trips stress-free and helps drivers avoid unexpected interruptions. From a lifestyle perspective, the R2's range and charging features support versatility and freedom. It is designed to handle daily urban commutes, weekend adventures, and extended family road trips without the constraints traditionally associated with electric vehicles. Owners can plan cross-country trips or explore remote areas with confidence, knowing that charging infrastructure and battery efficiency are reliable. This level of convenience bridges the gap between the electric SUV experience and the traditional gasoline-powered SUV experience, making the transition to EV ownership seamless. Moreover, Rivian's charging network and partnerships further enhance the R2's usability. Rivian plans to expand its own fast-charging network, strategically located along highways and in popular destinations. This network is designed to provide a consistent and dependable experience, ensuring that R2 owners never have to worry about running out of charge in critical situations. Combined with third-party charging options, the R2 offers one of the most accessible and flexible charging experiences in the electric SUV segment. Energy efficiency is another crucial point. The R2's electric powertrain is designed to maximize every kilowatt-hour of energy stored in the battery. Advanced software algorithms optimize motor output, regenerative braking, and energy consumption based on driving conditions. The result is a vehicle that not only delivers high performance, but also ensures that the driver gets the maximum possible range, regardless of whether they are in stop-and-go city traffic or cruising on the interstate. Finally, the R2's range and charging capabilities contribute to long-term cost savings. By reducing the frequency of charging stops and relying on electricity instead of gasoline, owners save significant amounts over the life of the vehicle. Combined with potential incentives and tax credits, these savings make the R2 an economically smart choice for both daily drivers and adventurous road trippers alike. In conclusion, the Rivian R2 excels in both range and charging performance, offering over 300 miles per charge, rapid fast charging capabilities, regenerative braking, and wide compatibility with modern charging networks. It is designed to provide a stress-free, flexible, and enjoyable driving experience, whether you are commuting in the city, exploring the countryside, or embarking on a cross-country road trip. With intelligent battery management, fast charging, and thoughtful infrastructure planning, the R2 removes the traditional limitations of EVs and empowers drivers with freedom, convenience, and confidence on every journey. For anyone considering an electric SUV, the R2 proves that long-distance driving and practicality can go hand in hand with affordability and innovation. One of the most remarkable features of the Rivian R2 is its flexibility and adaptability through multiple configurations. Unlike many vehicles that offer only one standard setup, the R2 provides buyers with a range of options to match their driving style, performance needs, and budget. This thoughtful approach ensures that the vehicle is not only accessible, but also highly personalized, allowing drivers to select the version that fits their lifestyle perfectly. Starting with the base model, the R2 comes equipped with a single rear motor, which provides rear-wheel drive, RWD. This configuration is ideal for drivers who prioritize efficiency, simplicity, and cost-effectiveness. The RWD setup delivers smooth acceleration and energy-efficient driving, making it perfect for daily urban commuting or light highway travel. While this model is the entry point in terms of performance and price, it still maintains the core Rivian experience, offering a high-tech cabin, intuitive interface, and quality ride comfort. For many drivers, this version strikes an ideal balance between affordability and capability, making it an excellent choice for families or professionals entering the EV market for the first time. Moving up the range, the R2 offers a dual-motor all-wheel drive, AWD configuration, which adds a second motor to the front wheels. This enhancement significantly improves traction, acceleration, and handling, especially in conditions where weather, terrain, or load can impact stability. AWD is essential for drivers in areas with frequent rain, snow, or hilly terrain, as it provides additional grip and control. The dual-motor setup also enables the R2 to distribute power intelligently between the front and rear axles, ensuring that each wheel receives the optimal torque needed for precise handling. This configuration is ideal for drivers who want enhanced confidence and capability without moving to the highest-end performance variant. It is also a popular choice for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy occasional off-road excursions or weekend adventures in nature. At the top of the performance and capability spectrum is the tri-motor AWD configuration, which includes an additional motor dedicated to each rear wheel. This design allows for torque vectoring, which means the vehicle can send more or less power to individual wheels depending on driving conditions. Torque vectoring enhances cornering, stability, and acceleration, providing a dynamic and exhilarating driving experience. The tri-motor R2 is capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds, a feat that rivals many high-performance electric vehicles on the market. For drivers who crave speed, precision, and excitement, this configuration delivers everything they want, while still maintaining the practical usability of a midsize SUV. Rivian also offers various trim levels and optional packages across these configurations, giving buyers even more control over the features and customization of their R2. Options may include advanced off-road packages, premium interior materials, technology upgrades, and safety enhancements. This level of choice ensures that no two R2s need to be exactly alike. Whether a driver wants a minimalist urban commuter, a high-tech family SUV, or a performance-oriented off-road machine, the R2 can be tailored to meet those needs. Another important aspect of the R2's configurations is energy management. Each configuration comes with different battery and motor combinations, which can affect range, performance, and efficiency. For example, the single-motor RWD model maximizes energy efficiency for long-range driving, while the tri-motor AWD emphasizes performance, slightly impacting energy consumption. Buyers can choose the version that best aligns with their driving priorities, whether they value maximum range, peak performance, or a balance of both. The flexibility of configurations also extends to towing capacity and payload. Depending on the motor setup, the R2 can handle different towing requirements, making it suitable for hauling small trailers, boats, or outdoor equipment. This versatility ensures that the R2 appeals not only to city dwellers but also to adventurous families and outdoor enthusiasts who need a capable vehicle for weekend trips or recreational activities. Rivian has also made sure that the driving experience is consistent across all configurations. Regardless of the chosen setup, drivers will enjoy the intuitive infotainment system, responsive steering, and comfortable interior, ensuring that every R2 feels premium and refined. The configurations primarily affect performance, traction, and acceleration, allowing buyers to select a model that matches their unique driving demands without sacrificing comfort or usability. Customization also reflects Rivian's commitment to future-proofing. As charging networks expand and battery technology evolves, having multiple configurations allows the R2 to remain relevant for a wider range of users. Some drivers may prioritize long-range efficiency today, while others may seek maximum performance tomorrow. Rivian's versatile approach ensures that the vehicle can adapt to changing needs and preferences, making it a smart investment for the long term. Finally, the R2's configuration options exemplify Rivian's customer-centric philosophy. By offering multiple motors, AWD capabilities, and trim packages, Rivian empowers drivers to make choices that suit their lifestyle, driving habits, and personal preferences. This flexibility is not just a technical advantage. It's a statement about the company's understanding of its audience. They recognize that drivers are diverse, with varied needs and priorities, and they have built the R2 to accommodate that diversity. In conclusion, the Rivian R2's multiple configurations make it a highly versatile and customizable SUV. Whether you want an efficient RWD commuter, a balanced AWD adventure vehicle, or a high-performance tri-motor SUV, the R2 delivers. Combined with optional packages, trim levels, and thoughtful energy management, these configurations ensure that every driver can find an R2 that fits their unique lifestyle and driving needs. Rivian's approach to configurations shows that affordability, performance, and personalization can coexist, offering a vehicle that is as flexible and capable as the drivers who choose it. When it comes to electric vehicles, many buyers often focus on performance, range, and price, but the design and practicality of a vehicle are equally important factors, especially for families, city dwellers, and adventure enthusiasts. The Rivian R2 excels in both areas, offering a stylish, modern design while remaining highly functional and practical for everyday use. It strikes a rare balance between aesthetic appeal and usability, ensuring that drivers don't have to compromise on either. Starting with the exterior design, the R2 carries Rivian's distinctive signature style: clean, contemporary lines, a minimalist yet athletic silhouette, and a confident stance on the road. The compact size compared to the larger R1 models makes it perfect for urban environments, where tight parking spots and crowded streets demand maneuverability. Despite being smaller, the R2 still conveys a sense of presence thanks to its bold wheel arches, sleek lighting signature, and thoughtful aerodynamic design. Rivian's approach ensures that the vehicle is both eye-catching and functional, combining aesthetics with practical efficiency. The interior of the R2 is equally impressive. Inside, the cabin is spacious enough to comfortably seat 5 passengers with generous legroom, headroom, and cargo space. Rivian has paid special attention to ergonomics and user comfort, ensuring that every passenger enjoys a premium experience. The seats are supportive for long journeys, and materials are chosen for both comfort and durability, ideal for families or active lifestyles. The minimalist dashboard integrates high-tech infotainment, intuitive controls, and digital displays, making the cabin feel modern, clean, and driver-friendly. Practicality is also at the forefront of the R2's interior design. Rivian has incorporated smart storage solutions throughout the vehicle, including dual glove boxes, hidden compartments, and versatile cargo space. Rear seats can fold flat, enabling owners to transport larger items easily, whether it's sports equipment, camping gear, or furniture. The retractable rear window adds to this versatility, making it easier to load longer items or simply enjoy fresh air and open space. These thoughtful touches demonstrate that Rivian is not just focused on looks, they understand the real-world needs of their customers. The R2's off-road capabilities also contribute to its practical design. Despite being smaller than the R1 series, it maintains impressive ground clearance, approach and departure angles, and rugged underbody protection, allowing it to tackle gravel roads, trails, or uneven terrain without difficulty. This makes the R2 an ideal choice for weekend adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts, as it can handle both city streets and light off-road exploration. By combining off-road capability with compact urban dimensions, the R2 offers versatility rarely seen in this price range. Another key aspect of design and practicality is the user-friendly technology integration. The R2 features advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. These features make driving safer, easier, and less stressful, particularly in congested city traffic or long highway trips. Combined with its intuitive touchscreen interface, voice control, and digital dashboard, the R2 ensures that all technology is accessible and functional, not just flashy. Rivian has also considered environmental efficiency in its design. The R2's compact size, aerodynamic profile, and efficient powertrain all contribute to optimized energy consumption, extending the vehicle's range without compromising performance. This careful design ensures that drivers get both style and sustainability, a growing priority for environmentally conscious consumers. Aesthetically, the R2 also emphasizes personalization. Rivian offers various color options, trim levels, and interior finishes, allowing owners to make their vehicle truly their own. From subtle elegance to bold, adventurous looks, the R2 can reflect the personality of its driver. These customization options, combined with functional features, make the vehicle not just a mode of transportation, but also a statement piece on the road. From a practical standpoint, the R2 also excels in everyday usability. Its compact dimensions make parking in tight spaces effortless, while its cargo flexibility allows for easy transportation of groceries, luggage, or outdoor equipment. Families will appreciate the accessibility of the rear doors, child seat compatibility, and safety features that make it suitable for young passengers. Urban drivers will value the ease of maneuverability, visibility, and smart tech that simplifies parking, navigation, and energy management. Even the driving dynamics contribute to practicality. The R2's suspension is tuned to provide a smooth ride over city streets, highways, and mild off-road terrain, ensuring comfort regardless of conditions. Drivers experience minimal vibration and noise, while passengers enjoy a quiet, serene cabin, making it ideal for daily commutes, long road trips, or family outings. This thoughtful combination of comfort, handling, and technology makes the R2 both fun to drive and easy to live with. Finally, Rivian's approach to design and practicality reflects their vision for the modern electric SUV, a vehicle that seamlessly integrates style, functionality, and technology. The R2 does not force buyers to choose between a beautiful vehicle and a practical one. Instead, it delivers both with clever solutions for storage, comfort, off-road capability, and energy efficiency, all wrapped in a sleek, contemporary exterior. In conclusion, the Rivian R2 demonstrates that design and practicality can coexist perfectly. It is stylish enough to turn heads, functional enough to meet real-world demands, and versatile enough to satisfy a wide range of lifestyles. With its compact yet capable form, spacious and well-thought-out interior, smart technology integration, off-road readiness, and personalization options, the R2 is a true example of a modern electric SUV that is ready for city life, family adventures, and outdoor exploration alike. For anyone seeking an electric SUV that delivers both form and function, the Rivian R2 stands out as a highly compelling choice.